on your home computer to read the day's newspaper.
Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. It is day 2 of our Arizona trip 2020 and yeah, I've decided to switch to my big camera, and on the gimbal I've got to strengthen up my arm anyway. This is super hard to do, but I don't have a wide lens, but doing it up Peter McKinnon style, standing by the window, getting that good lighting. Hopefully it is good. Let's get started. All curled up back there. What's up guys? Look at this awesome background behind me. It is so gorgeous. I just took the drone up. It's the shortest drone flight I have ever done. It's even shorter than when I went to Epic Waters. It was like less than a minute. I flew it up. There's like when I was hovering, my drone was like this because of the wind, but I was gonna get past that up. Kind of took a little bit of risk, but I didn't go very high, didn't go very far. But I mean, look at that guys. Would y'all look at that? This is the Texas-New Mexico line, and we're about to cross over. We're only about 260-70 miles from Mima and Papa's in Tucson, Arizona, and we are almost there. We're gonna go back to the car now, and we are about to head back. Okay, so the audio was terrible because of the junky microphone I had, so I'm going to narrate over this. See that? That's Herbie right there from New Mexico, and we actually found him when I was moving back to Arizona in 2014. I think it's June 18th, 2014 in my last vlog, as I'm trying to explain here, and I'm going to put it up in a little video right there. And I wanted to note that we just pulled off on a random exit. We weren't trying to find Herbie again. We just had to stop, I guess, for gas or bathroom, and fate would have it, we went on the same exit. It's so awesome. Look who I found cruising Mexico. I just wanted to show you guys that it was the actual car because I have the same license plate. I just didn't show you because of privacy. We're in Tucson. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Yeah. There, I know I'm in Tucson now. Ha! There's Amazon. Look, all the Amazon Prime trucks. I need to order something on Amazon. From here, I could probably do the 2-hour thing. This thing is huge. That's a fulfillment center. There's a whole restaurant stuff back up there. For, I guess, the employees. Well, that's cool. That's huge. Look at this beautiful background. Taking some shots. I want to see what you're doing with this.
Give me the can.
Don't spray it yet. I'm on the side of the road waiting for the tow truck. When life gives you lemons, don't make a sour face. Get a drone shot. The drone's way up there.